today I will discuss my matic and tron trade which occurred in a loss, both of them, and why they occurred in a loss. So I will explain. First of all, matic's price was in a zigzag trend and it came near my support, so I decided to go long, but my biggest mistake was that the volume was not high of this green candle, and that's why but still I entered in FOMO. And also the Bitcoin's price was dumping and the overall crypto's nature was at that time was bearish only because of some fundamental news. That's why I told you in my previous videos as well that if you have to be either bullish or bearish on crypto and the main crypto trading. You can't be bullish on one pair and bearish on one pair, and that's the mistake that I did here by going bullish on matic. Now coming to the tron's chart, and as you can clearly see tron's daily time frame, it was also in a sideways channel and it recently did a breakout of this channel and got rejected from here at 0.11643. So when it was coming down, I thought it is coming down for a retest and this is the right time to enter in a long in tron. So I entered over here at this candle, this green candle right here. I entered in tron, but the main biggest mistake was that only that the whole crypto was in a bearish, I would say, sentiment at that time. Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can clearly see how they dumped heavily to the downside, and I still went long in tron. That was my biggest mistake. As a result, my matic and tron trade occurred in a loss, but it's okay. I followed a good risk and money management, so yeah, I occurred a loss, but it's okay. I will recover it in my next trades. It's important to learn from these mistakes. So yeah, I hope you understand my main mistake, and do watch the video. In the comments I have mentioned a video, do watch that. It is a very important video. This is it, and see you guys next time.